Hi, I'm Joe from KnightATV, and I want to show you our group kit, our 4-speaker pod set. This is what you will get. These ones were ordered in red color, and there are multiple different mounting options that you can get that will connect on the bottom. These are the add-on pods with 2 wires coming out, one for the LEDs, one for power to the speaker. This is our power pod, which is going to have everything you need to hook it up. So I'll show you now real quick. The wire here with the white is going to go to the one that is meant to be next to your power pod, whether you put that on the left side or the right side. And then the one with the gray wire will go into another wire harness. That's a splitter that we have going to these 2 speaker pods. Next, you will plug in your LED wires, line up the arrows that are on each one. And these all have plenty of cable length. I just have them tied up for ease of use right here as I'm trying to show this. And after you mount these to wherever you're going to mount them to, your rack, your roll bar, or flat mount them anywhere, you'll hook them up like we just did. Run these wires over to your battery. So you're going to use the flashers? And you're all set. Flip the switch on. You can see the LEDs on all of them come on. Chris, hit play. You have different options for the colors, all 4 speakers, any.
Sugar sweeter than the southern sweet tea that we're sipping. The stars keep coming out, so we keep on wishing. It's been a second since I felt it.
This is our universal speaker kit rack mount. This is meant for mounting one of these speaker pods on your ATV's rack. Kind of the same diameter as handlebars also, but we recommend these on your rack. You will get a set of 2 that comes with them, and this is how you install them. On the bottom of your speaker kit, you will install 2 screws through here, and they thread into these 2 holes here. Tighten these down snug. Then you will put this over your ATV's rack, mount it on the rack bar. You may need to remove your rack to then get underneath it to put this on, or use a L-shaped Allen key. You can see the shape here. It goes down to pretty small rack, but it will work with larger ones also. And then if you feel that it may rotate a little bit, you have this set screw here that you can tighten down to keep it from moving. So after you install all 4 of these screws with it on your rack, you'll be all set. And then if needed, you can tighten that one. And that's how you install the rack mount.